max one is. It is the problem of the day, right? You are given a 2D binary array consisting of only 1s and 0s. Each row of the array is sorted in non-decreasing order, right? And our task is to find and return the index of first row that contains the maximum number of 1s. If no such row exists, return minus 1. Okay, right. The array follows zero base indexing and the number of rows and columns, right? And there it is given, right? So let's understand it, right? This column, this says, like, this is saying matrix contains only 0 and 1, right? And each row is sorted. I'm finding the index of the row with maximum number of ones, right? So if number 1 exists, return minus 1, right? So our approach is simple. अगर अगर कभी भी रो सॉर्टेड हो तो बाइनरी सर्च का ही लगा देना चाहिए, राइट? डायरेक्टली, राइट? सो हमने बाइनरी बाइनरी सर्च का लगा दिया, राइट? कि बाइनरी सर्च का अप्रोच सोचा, राइट? सो ईच रो इज सॉर्टेड लाइक 0 0 1 1 1, राइट? So all 0 come first and all ones comes after. These are sorted, right? If we find occurrence of 1, right, this, then the number of ones total columns minus index of first row, right? So this is the dry run, right, to find the first one efficiently. So let me let me explain the code what we write. Right, this is the code, guys. 1 second, right? This is the code. So firstly we initialization, right? Int idx and int max 0 कर दिया, right? So idx is like store index of row with maximum 1s, right? And max is store maximum count of 1s found so far, right? And then we do a row and column. Int r is number of row and c is number of column, right? So array size कर दिया, array 0 size कर दिया, ठीक है, right? And then we iterate the loop, right? So we process each row one by one, right? So for int I is equal to int 20 i I less than r, right? Then we do a count number of ones in current row, right? So int g and tr, right? This is a, why it does do this. So lower bound begin and 1 is like returns iterator to first occurrence of 1, right? And array I and it is like points after the last element, right? So this is why I have written, right? So then we do a last step, update maximum number, right? So if current row has more ones than previous max, then we do update, right? Maxi and idx, right? And then we do return. If no row has 1s, then index remains minus 1, right? Otherwise returns row with max 1s, right? So then we do a dry run code, right? 1 second, I have to do, this is array 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 and 0 0, right? So it is row 0 is 0 1 1, right? Lower bound index 2, count of 1 as 4 minus 2, that is earlier I teach you the formula, right? And then int maxi 2 or idx 0, and then row 1 count index 4 minus 1 3. First example से आप लोग समझ होंगे, right? So that's it. And the 1 second, and the time complexity lower bound is big O log c, right? For rows, right? And space complexity big O 1, no extra space used, right? So yes, this is the, that's it, right?